English essay The Parrot. The parrot is a beautiful bird. It is green in color. It has a red hooked beak. The parrot has a black ring around its neck. The parrot is fond of guavas, chilies, and grains. The parrot is kept as a pet by many people. It is kept in a cage. It likes to swing on the hanging rod inside the cage. The parrot has a sweet voice. It is fondly called Mittu by people. We can teach parrots to repeat our words. The parrot is also used to show tricks in a circus. Some astrologers on the footpath also keep a parrot. They use the parrot to pick up cheats. The cheats predict the future. These people think that the parrot is a very intelligent bird. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.